Engines rumbled through the snow. 1,000 hearts with nowhere to go. They came to speak, not storm or fight. Just claim their work, their basic right. They warmed their hands on paper cups, the city stirring, waking up. With toques pulled low and jackets worn, they met the chill of winter's morn. No anger there, just tired eyes, the kind that only truth supplies. They cleaned the streets, they fed the poor, children played. Need I say more? A friendly place where hearts unite, where hope burned steady through the night. The news crew came, cameras ready to proceed.
Saw the Nazi flag! That's all we need!
They found a Nazi flag and puffed their chest, misinformed as always, doing what they do best.
Our country is under attack by NOTSEs and are being funded by Russia.
The news arrived before the king. He sighed at every overblown thing. Though facts were twisted paper thin, he vowed, again, to fix the world with his royal spin.
The country has been taken over by Nazis.
Not on my watch!
The king stepped out before his crowd. He labeled doubters, reckless, loud. Fed by the rumors he'd been told, he mocked them all. With lies he sold.
These protesters are racist, misogynistic, and have unacceptable views. Do not question my authority. Thank you.
He warned the crowds with practiced flair, calling protest chaos everywhere. Then smugly vowed he'd clear them out, by any means necessary, as kings do, no doubt.
Sorry! Oopsies! Oopsies again!
With just a flick of his royal hand, he froze their funds across the land.
No spending for you!
And suddenly, all fear held sway. So every soul learned fast to obey. The king declared his grand decree, but offered not a why or plea. And none dared question what he meant, for challenge brings consequence, so silence was consent. The footprints faded one by one. The night was over, but not undone. Ottawa breathed a quieter sound, where calm returned to empty ground. Goliath boasted that he'd won. Spreading tales, the fight was done. He warned of threats that weren't that way, spinning lies about who'd dare to sway. But the next challenger will learn from the fray, and step forth ready to make Goliath pay.